buying the USDT on Binance with Apple Pay is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy a USDT on Binance using Apple Pay. So let me tell you one thing before we begin. In order to do that, you need to have an Apple MasterCard, which looks something like that. As you guys can see, this is how it looks. If you don't have this card, you won't be able to do that. So you just need to have a card like that. And after that, you need to go to your Binance, create an account. After creating an account, you need to log in. After logging in, you simply have to click on deposit and click on buy crypto. It will take you to this page. Now here you have to select the USD, and here I will select USDT. So if I click on BTC, and it will allow me to select USDT, so I'm going to select USDT. Now here I can type the amount. Suppose I want to buy $15 worth of USDT, so I'm going to select here and I'm going to click on verify and buy. As you guys can see, it is showing me verify and buy just because my account verification has not been completed. After completing the verification, you will easily be able to see payment options, and in the payment options, you will easily be able to see an option for MasterCard. You need to select that, put the Apple Card's detail, and you will easily be able to buy USDT. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.